Welcome to another Garmin review video. In this video, we're going to be looking at the Garmin Forerunner 955. So this is a premium watch from Garmin, and it's packed with features that are not only for runners or triathlon athletes, but you also have several smart features and safety features that I'll be going over in this video. So in this video, we'll start by looking at the design and look of the Garmin Forerunner 955, and then I'll show you my favorite features on the watch. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. Check the description because I'll not only have affiliate links for the Garmin Forerunner 955 on Amazon, but also I'll be making several tutorial videos about the Forerunner 955 so you can see all the different features that this watch is capable of. Starting off with the look and design of the Forerunner 955, this is a 46.5mm watch with a 1.3-inch display. Now this is a color display, but it's not going to be as high resolution as some of the AMOLED displays out there on the 965, 265, or 165. This is going to be a reflective display that even if I turn it off, stays on and is visible. It's also extremely visible in direct sunlight, and it enables the 955 to have such great battery life of 15 days. Now, I haven't found that to be a problem. I actually really like having the always-on display that's visible from any angle, and you don't have to worry about turning it on or anything like that. The resolution of the display is 260 by 260 pixels, and while that's not much, it doesn't look bad, and you can still see detail, and I'll show you more of that later when we're looking at the maps. The glass over the display is a Corningware Gorilla Glass Class 3, so it's very strong and should be resistant to scratching. The bands are going to be standard 22mm. They're made out of silicone, very soft. They also stay very clean. I shower with my watch and I haven't noticed any issues there. And they come with metal buckles, which is always a nice touch. The band on this watch, as well as all the other Garmin watches that I have been very high quality and they've lasted a long time. Now this does have a touchscreen on it and I found it to be accurate. But in addition to that, you get 5 buttons, 3 on the left side, 2 on the right. They're just very high quality and they look great. Looking at the sensors on the back, you can see the latest sensor, which is flat and fits very well on your skin. This does pulse ox and heart rate. And then you have the proprietary charging connector right there that is waterproof. So this watch is completely waterproof. You can swim with it, dive with it, anything like that, and you'll be fine. Just to give you a quick look at the watch on my wrist, it looks great, fits great, and it's not too heavy at only 52 grams. Now the Forerunner 955 is more of a premium running watch or triathlon watch. So let's dig into the activities. You can see what's available there and then how many data screens you can see. So to get to the activities, we just hit the start or stop button. I have some of these favorited. They do have hike and pickleball, cool things like that. And then you have several for biking and swimming. There's your triathlon multi-sport. In addition to that, they have several different activities that you can go through and categories for anything from cycling to running, swimming, and then the gym, as well as several outdoor sports, just tons of activities. And the coolest thing about all of these custom activities for each sport is going to be that they will be built for that sport and they'll be able to track it accurately. Like with yoga, it tracks your poses. If you do skiing, it'll track your runs. Hiking, it's going to track your elevation gain, things like that. And it will automatically show you that data while you're doing the activity, which is really cool. Just tons of activities and sports here. Real quick, I want to go into one of the activities here where I've set up some data screens and you can see how much data is actually visible while you're hiking or running. So I've set this up where I have my ascent and descent at the top, speed, distance, timer, my compass, and as you can see that changes as I turn the watch, and then my heart rate with the heart rate zone that I'm currently in. So this is extremely useful. You get a ton of data on one screen. And like I said, it's going to be very easy to read this in direct sunlight because of the reflective display. Now in here, with things like hiking or trail running, you can also make it so that you can see a map. And this does include local features that you would see like on Google Maps, things like that. Roads, trails, points of interest, all those things will show up on your map. So here's a quick example of the detail with the maps. And by the way, all this map information is on the watch. It's not pulling anything from my phone or the internet in any way. So in here, I can pan and zoom. I can also zoom in. And you can see it shows the topography, it shows street names, all kinds of really cool things, especially as you get closer and closer. Now, I've used maps like this while hiking in national parks, and you can actually use it to ensure you're staying on the trail and find trails around you. It's really cool. Some of the other sport-related features that I really like on the Forerunner 955 are going to be first Garmin Coach, where it's basically a couch to 5K, 10K, or half marathon program built into your watch that changes based on your progress while going through the program. So if you're better at running, it'll be quicker for you. And if you're struggling and need more time, it's going to slow down the program for you and really help you gain that ability to run those distances. Additionally, this watch has training readiness and training status. So if you've been working out more, it'll kind of tell you how long you need to take a break so that you get the most out of your training. Some of the other really cool features on this watch are going to be music controls, where you can not only control the music that's on your phone, but you can also connect Bluetooth headphones to the 955 and download songs using apps like Spotify. And that does include podcast as well. In addition to that, you can read, and if you have an Android phone, respond to text messages on the watch, and it's very easy to read those messages. You can also read any other notification, including emails or messaging apps. All those will be visible on the watch. And you do get the weather as well, where it will tell you the outlook and daily, all those forecasts. One of the features I like about Garmin is they have something called body battery. So this uses the information from your heart rate sensor and your sleep tracking to kind of tell you how much energy you have during the day. So when you're sleeping, it builds the battery up. And then during the day, as you work out or do different activities or just going through daily stuff, it'll deplete the battery, and you can kind of see where you're at from an energy standpoint, and that can help you plan future workouts. I really like this because it includes your stress level as well that depletes your battery. There are two really cool safety features on the Garmin Forerunner 955. First, incident detection, which is available in some of the activities, including run, walk, hiking, biking, things like that, where if the watch detects a fall, it will give you a warning where you can turn it off very easily. But if you don't turn it off, it'll notify your emergency contacts using your phone. So you set those up in the app, and if you fall and you're injured and need help, it'll automatically tell those people that you need help. Additionally, you can use Garmin Assistance by just holding down the light button on your Forerunner 955, and it'll automatically trigger Garmin Assistance, which will let your emergency contacts know that you need help. I went ahead and canceled it there. And that can be very useful if you're outside of an activity and are in a situation where you need some assistance or just want people to know that you need help. Now that we've gone over some of the smartwatch features and activity features for the Forerunner 955, I want to talk about some of the more basic features, such as step counting, things like that. In my opinion, the step counting, stair climbing, and sleep tracking are very accurate on the 955, especially compared to other Garmin watches I've had. I haven't had any issues with the sleep tracking, figuring out when I go to sleep and when I wake up in the morning, and also the different types of sleep seem to be accurate as well. And you can also track naps during the day with the Forerunner 955, although I don't take naps, so I've never tested that. With the sleep tracking, you do get a sleep score every night, and I like that because it's an easy way to quickly compare how your sleep was and how ready you will be for training. Now, when it comes to battery life on the 955, they do say that you get about 15 days, and that's going to be in smartwatch mode, and that will be diminished based on how many activities you do. So I find if I do an activity or two a day, I'll end up getting around a week and a half of battery life out of this watch. Now, if you get notifications, things like that turn on the backlight or make the watch vibrate, that also will take away that time. But I think between 12 and 15 days, if you're not doing too many activities, is accurate. All right, so that was my quick review of the Garmin Forerunner 955. If you have any questions about this device, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see several Forerunner 955 tips and tutorials, check the links in the description. And if this video helped you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel because that really helps me out. Thank you so much for watching.